hide and seek. Here with my little brother Jack. Jack, you know how to play this game, right?
Pardon?
You know how to play this game, right?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I know how to play it. I've seen this guy do it, and I know how to play it, but I haven't played it. So I think what it was. I can't really remember that well.
That's alright. Let me explain it. Basically, there's hiders and there's seekers. The hiders get put as a specific block. See, I'm a bit of gravel at the minute. See, everyone's going around, and you've got to try and find a hiding place. And there's one seeker that will come around and try and find you.
I know what you should do.
As a bit of gravel, it's pretty hard to find that spot.
Break one and then pieces of gravel.
I don't think you can break blocks. No, you can't.
That's really cool.
I've never actually been on this map.
Looks like a good one.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna hide in the fountain. Yeah, this is going to be the first place the guy looks. I bet he's there, you can see him. That's the seeker. Oh no.
Well, you don't
I've got other bits of gravel giving me away. No, what you do, how it works is, you see on the right side of the screen, there's a number of hiders, there's 22, and there's seekers, which is 2, which means that he's found one person already. Once he finds you, he needs to kill you. He's got a diamond sword. And once he's found you and killed you, you become a seeker.
Yeah.
And if the time runs out, and there's still hiders, hiders win. However, if all of the hiders are found, seekers win. That's how it works.
So, is it 2 hits on the diamond sword?
No, oh, he came up behind me.
Aww.
See, now I'm
You've got a diamond sword.
yep, and
I've
got my iron. Let's see.
Your cool red hair sticking out.
Yeah. My personalised skin. Right.
There's a couple of
Well,
them
where
there
are we going to look first? Yeah, but this I think he's already
but
scouted this out.
That they looked there first, obviously.
Yeah. He's got a knockback.
Has he?
Yeah. There you go. We found him. He did.
So there's 6.
It's really not that many good places to hide on this map.
I know. There is another one. There is a couple of others.
What you got to look for, Jack? You got to look for blocks that look out of place.
Yes, I know.
Sometimes even the blocks look in place, but you just can't tell.
You can. Yeah, you can see it. Aside. Can't it?
Yeah. Okay. So there's 10 seekers and 12 hiders.
Down there must be some.
There's got to be something in there.
No, maybe they
Doesn't look like it.
hide it. Maybe they've been found.
I don't know. It's difficult because especially not playing this map before. You don't know what blocks people are.
Someone can just move and they start hitting you. Can't they?
Yeah, hiders get wooden knockback swords. No, I wasn't alive for long enough.
So I was probably in the video.
Okay, there's 7 hiders left.
In the video I started it. Probably the last time.
Yeah, I'm a terrible seeker.
In actual life, it's easy.
I want to know what that fuzzing sound is. Is that kind of like a warmer, colder kind of thing? I really should have done my research. I haven't got any levels there. You don't need some enchanting sword.
Diamond swords are really strong anyways.
Yeah.
If you lost about 2 hearts, it can be a 1 hit on it.
Yeah. Switch points. And all the blocks look in place. It's the worst bit.
Yeah, they are in place. Can you be fire? I think I no, he hasn't got that hero event thingy. I thought I knew him.
Yeah, round ended the hiders one. That's hide and seek. Thank you for watching.